Let us see what is alleles. The synonym for this is allelomorphs. Alleles, you can define that as different forms of the same gene. That means these alleles will be occupying a specific locus in the chromosome. Same locus. In a population, there may be so many alleles. The alleles will determine the trait the individual carries. For example, eye color. If you see eye color, the population will be having brown color, black color, blue color, green shade. So many shades will be available. This trait will be controlled by alleles, and an individual can have only two alleles because they are diploid. One allele will be coming from the father and another allele will be coming from the mother. These alleles are the main factor which contribute the phenotype of an organism. While few traits are determined by a single pair of alleles, there are many characters which are controlled by more than one set of alleles. In that case, that process is called as multiple allelism, which we will see in the later videos.